A Git repository, or Git Repo for short, is like a database that stores the entire history of your project. It contains snapshots of your files, called commits, as well as branches, tags, and all the references that tell Git where things are. When you create a Git repo on your computer, that is your local repository. It has everything inside a hidden .git folder, including your commits, branches, and the staging area where you prepare changes before committing. A remote repository, on the other hand, is the same kind of database but stored on another machine, usually on platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Local and remote repos work together by exchanging data when you run commands like fetch, pull, and push. Under the hood, Git does not constantly sync. When you fetch, your local Git asks the remote what commits it has that you do not, and downloads the missing ones into your local database, updating the remote tracking branches. When you pull, Git fetches and then merges or rebases those remote changes into your working branch. When you push, Git takes your local commits and sends them as compressed objects to the remote, updating its branch pointer if your history is up to date. Every clone of a Git repo is a full copy, meaning Git is a distributed system. Even if the remote goes offline, any clone can act as a backup. In short, your local repo is your personal full history, and the remote repo is a shared version that your team collaborates through. If this explanation helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel for more developer-friendly tutorials.